Well, we are approaching that time of the year. It's coming upon us very fast. We're going to have lots of turkey and decking the halls and trimming the tree and all of that wonderful stuff that also creates an incredible amount of stress for a lot of people. Hello, I'm Dr. David Hawkins, the director of the Marriage Recovery Center. I'm going to give you just a few things to think about when it comes to holiday stress. Just a couple of things. I don't want to give you a big long list of things, but here are 5 things I want you to consider when it comes to the holidays, which can be so wonderful, but you're going to have to do some things to make sure that they stay wonderful for you. Number 1, acknowledge your feelings. Whatever those feelings are, for many of us, it's a time when we remember that somebody or some people are not here and they're important to us. Maybe they've passed away, maybe they can't be with us for the holidays, and so we are alone or without those loved ones. So if you feel some sadness, if you feel some anxiety, whatever you feel, it's okay. Acknowledge those feelings and embrace them. Feelings are okay. Number 2, connect with people. Connect with those that maybe need to be connected with. And there's no reason to be alone for the holidays. There's lots of people that would love to be with you, but you need to reach out and connect with them. Number 3, have realistic expectations for the holidays. You know, we've watched a lot of Hallmark commercials and a lot of movies and a lot of different things that tell us that we should all be happy and sitting on the hearth with Fido and get our pictures taken, and it's just going to be incredible, and you're not going to believe what it's going to, the wonderful feelings that are going to happen and what they're going to bring to us. And well, maybe yes and maybe no. So have realistic expectations. Make sure you know what to expect and what not to expect. Realistic. Don't fight with reality. Whatever is really going to be for you and how you want it to be, make sure that you do your part to create what is realistic in your life and for your current circumstances. Number 4, set aside family differences, okay? It's all right to not particularly care for 1 or 2 of the people that are in your family gathering. Family is family, and you gotta love them, but you don't have to always like them. But this is a time to set aside differences and to embrace a time of Thanksgiving, giving thanks, and a time of remembering the reason for the season. And last, it's okay to say no. It's okay to set healthy boundaries and to not try to do everything and be everywhere. Just keep it simple and do what feels right to you. Okay, actually I'm gonna tack on one more, and that is just simply remember the reason for the season. Remember that, you know, we're thankful to God for all of our blessings, and Christmas is a time to remember the gift of Jesus in our lives. So God bless you and your family, and let's not get too stressed out. Okay, take care. God bless, and have a great and wonderful holiday.